movements we tend to do are stretches of our hamstrings. So like you would generally touch your toes and things like that. If you go back to high school gym, that all those things that they made you do that you hated doing are probably good for you actually. And so you need to do stretches. They come down to hurdler stretches, things that stretch out our hamstrings and our hips. You want to work on your core strength. So a simple exercise called a plank, where it's sort of a form of a push-up, where you're just holding your body steady on your hands or on your elbows if you can, and tighten up your abdominal and stomach muscles. Crunches, where you're just not doing a full sit-up, but just enough to get your abdominal muscles fired, are very good. And then it's just gentle stretching in all planes. And those are the exercises that mean the most. It really doesn't take a machine. It takes diligence in doing it. And you don't have to do it for hours a day. If you could, for most people, if you could spend 5 or 10 minutes doing basic stretches in the morning, it'll lead to a better day for the rest of the day.